Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. So the following clip is a really short grocery haul. I had mentioned in day 1 that I had kind of let my fitness journey be kind of off to the side, and so just saying that out loud kind of made me be like, I need to step it up, get back on track. So I filmed a little grocery haul. I went and did some grocery shopping for this week. So I'm going to insert that footage for you guys to watch. But it was like 2 minutes of footage. Really quick grocery haul. I'll kind of show you in the weekly vlog how I used that food and what I made. And then hopefully next week do something a little more in-depth about my journey. But that being said, I wanted to come in and just kind of preface this little short, quick vlog style haul to tell you that more is coming, but not today. So enjoy this little itty bitty mini grocery haul. Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today I have for you a grocery haul. I am starting back up Tone It Up this week, so I want to show you everything I got for week 1 of the holiday challenge. So, most of the stuff was just stuff I was out of. So like cinnamon, almond butter, K-Vita drinks, raspberry yogurt. I have Chobani and Tillamook because I couldn't decide which ones I really wanted. Spinach. This was on sale, so I bought it. It's the Purely Elizabeth Maple Walnut Probiotic Granola. Sounded yummy. Bananas for smoothies, an onion, some peppers. My favorite Target frozen vegetable is their sweet potatoes, so I bought 3 bags of those because I eat them like crazy. These were on sale too, so I thought I'd try them. It's the veggie pastas from Bird's Eye. So this one is zucchini and lentil penne with cheddar cheese sauce. And this one is zucchini and lentil rotini with marinara. I got the Hillshire small platters of jerky and cheese. Some maple waffle Quest bars. Clearly maple is a theme today. Some Boom Chicka Pop as a good snack. I was out of my Toned Up chocolate protein. Got some Vital Proteins collagen samples. Some sausage and some chicken. This is kind of just a basic, like, getting me back into it kind of thing. If you'd like to see some of the things I make with these, give this video a thumbs up. I know this was kind of a quick video for today, but I wanted to show you guys that I'm getting back on track, and so there you go. I will see you guys tomorrow with day 4, which is the weekend vlog.